Hello and welcome to Imperfect Garden. My name is Robert and today we have a small problem. It seemed that I used too many cultivation trays yesterday. And yesterday, of course, I did too many sunflowers. This is two 35 cells mini greenhouses. And I used everything, so like 70 cells that went to sunflowers, almost exclusively. But, well, it's a little bit oregano and thyme too. So, what do we have left now? And all I have left is 4 6 cells cultivation pots, what do you ever call it. And this is all I have left. We need to go and buy more in the weekend. But I still have something we can put in these. So let's do a video about these and then we'll have a solution and buy more things. Or we do a video about something else. Hopefully soon we can go out and start doing the polytunnel. But actually today we have a snowstorm. So I don't know. The 3 vegetables I want to do today is 2 different cucumbers and 1 more tomato. The cucumbers are the normal, the long cucumber. We call it slanggurka in Sweden, and that is like the very long standard, you know, you make it when you do your salad and everything. I don't want to do too much of this. I will only put a few plants because normally when you do 1 plant you get a lot of cucumbers, and during the summer, in the end of the summer, you eat so much cucumber you want to puke. So we don't do too much of these. I dropped it on the floor too. Never mind that. Let's look at the other one. The other one is Grape Cucumber. This has many names, but what it really is the small cucumber you usually use when you do pickled cucumber. You know, with it's a huge variety of things you can pickle. And my idea is I have really never pickled cucumber, and this year let's do a lot of pickled cucumbers. So when the normal cucumber, which I dropped on the floor, we only do like maybe 2-3 cells. This one we put in as many as we can because I wanted to produce a lot of these, because this I can preserve and eat during the whole of the winter. The last vegetable we have is of course the tomatoes, and that is a classical cherry tomato. Because the other tomato I already started cultivating. It's a small tomato, but not a cherry tomato. It's like a 3-4 centimeter tomato. But I also want to do the cherry tomato because everyone loves the cherry tomatoes, and it looks very beautiful in the summer when you have the dinner with friends and you have the salad and a lot of the very tasty, sweet, colorful cherry tomatoes. So this one too, we put in the rest of the cells. So let's start now, and let's start with the big cucumber, the normal cucumber, the slanggurka. Well, glasögon. As usually, they have a small extra bag inside here, which I don't know why, because normally they only have the extra bag inside when they have very small seeds. But here we have, you know, the big cucumber seeds. I mean, they are big. They're not sunflower big, but they are almost. And in this bag, I got 5. Well, thank you a lot. I got 5 cucumber seeds. I already put the soil in these because you see me put soil in the cells every video, and this is bloody boring. The cucumber, we actually put down a good 2 centimeters. So we talk about a whole fingernail. And let's do 3 of these. And with this time we only put 1 in each, which is a little bit low, but they actually have an 80% probability of growth. And that is pretty good actually. So when I put in 3 here, it's a high probability all 3 of these will start grow. We save the last 2 in case I want to do 1 more, just in case. I don't know yet. And of course, it's very easy. We just fold over and the soil, and we're ready. Let's start with the other 3, and we continue on with the pickled cucumber. My small dog is very angry now. Baby! Hey! So, pickled cucumber. Let's open up and see. In this bag, they say like 8 to 10 cucumbers, 8 to 10 plants we can put the seeds in. And as with the other package, we have a small package in here with the seeds. They are much more generous with a small pickled cucumber, the grape cucumber, because here they actually put in, like, let's see, we have 12, 14. We have 14 seeds. And here too, it's 1 seed per cell, and it's 80% probability, so pretty good. So let's start with the one that we already started. We put in 2 more, and it's 2 centimeters. They go deep. I can't explain really why this one is 2 centimeters, and you have the sun seeds that was like only 1 centimeter, and they are pretty big. They're pretty big. But sometimes you should not think too much. You just should do as the package say, and well, don't think you know everything. And normally with seeds and stuff like that, they are not very sensitive. I mean, many times, as long as they keep moist and they don't get too cold, of course, because then they never start with the growing process. They need to have like at least 20 degrees to get the warmth for the seed to start growth. So now I have 3 big cucumbers and 9 of the grape cucumber, pickled cucumber, whatever you like to call it, the small one. We still have 12 cells left. So now, do I do 12 cherry tomatoes? It's a little bit much maybe, because I already have the other tomatoes, and normally I put in some extra in each so I get more plants. So let's start with the 6 only with the cherry tomatoes. These cherry tomatoes, they have it's 180 seeds. They have a high probability of growth, like 80-90% or something, 80%. The hole or the dent in the cell will only be like 1/4 of a centimeters, so it's not very deep again. And as usual, let's put in 3-4 seeds in every, because we have so many. Yeah, I'm gonna get more than we just separate them, as we will soon do with the other tomatoes that we have over in the window. Let's look at the seeds first. They should look like all the other tomato seeds. And yeah, they do. They are a little bit paler, with a small colored stripe on them, actually, as you can see. Look at that. So let's start now making a small, just a small dent again, small dent, and put 4 or 5. Let's see if I can do this without the glasses. No, I can't. I need to have the glasses on, otherwise I can't see anything. There we have like 4, 3, 3 and a 4. Continue on here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Oh, too many, too many. Oh, yeah, we had one with 6 in that. Ah, never mind. Again, a bag of seeds, the price is very low. I mean, a lot of people say, yeah, you can take your own seeds, of course, from your tomatoes, from your cucumbers, from whatever you want, and you can use them next year to have more sustainability. But on the other hand, the price of 1 bag of seeds is so low. I don't understand how they can make money on it. And who does it? Who is the people who take out seeds? I have no idea. Okay, we cover it up, and that one too. And now I have to do the decision. Do I do more? I have 9 grape cucumbers, 3 big cucumbers. I have a lot more seed. No, I have decided we do the rest of the cherry tomatoes too. Because again, the cherry tomatoes is one of those tomatoes that everyone wants to have and I can give away. Next year, if I continue to do videos like this and continue to grow my garden bigger, next year I'll probably start selling. If I have more space, I need more shelves during the winter, during the late winter, early spring. Yeah, and I can start selling the seedlings when they are ready to be put out, like in May. I could like marketing myself on Facebook or whatever. Yeah, that could be fun. Okay, I just put in maybe like 6, 7 in every one of them now. I have no idea. Okay, let's cover it up. We will put some water on this. Where's my water bottle? Ah, Filip, vill du ge mig den svarta flaskan som är uppe på hyllan? That was Swedish. My son is here too and helping me. He's looking at me. Är det vatten i den? Ja, det är lite vatten i den. There will be water in it. So, let's now start and put water in it to get it moist. And yeah, don't be afraid to let it, like, if you can't see it, so squash, 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 squash. And this will slowly sink down in this. And as always, keep it bloody moist. Don't let it dry. Have it a good warm place. And, well, all seeds will start grow. This was all for this video, I think. I think this is the finishing touches. As I say, this is my last plastic cells, and I have some, single, small plastic pots too. But I really need them because soon I need to start replanting. So, yeah, next video we will see what we do. We'll do anything. We'll see tomorrow. It's Thursday today. Tomorrow is Friday. Let's have a glass of wine and just talk vegetables. Well, goodbye. Have a very good evening and see you tomorrow on Friday.